Bangke Neli Neli tumafan Apaar ID APHUTHAK LABANGSO a video long nang than pachini ponikpo Apaar ID labangke non government hin pen ke launch pon akimido la LABANGSO ID komada tumsi Kasemar Nangji ma la pen kopia benefit ma LABANGSO APHUTHAK sipini LABANGSO video long nali tumfan nang than pachini ponikpo tangte aprangsi KARDOM kadukawe British 2.0 YouTube channel long kelangara do an fans tame nali tumjong LABANGSO YouTube channel long nang Humri milang pulte chinghon pen subscribe ikon Lapena dung hestame belarjan theklongi hodastame nalitum berpon higdernon tangte non LABANGSO Apaar ID APHUTHAK ledak pathek pen langpono nang lapen chithan pono nang tangte non pathek pen LABANGSO card APHUTHAK dak chithan pono nang lapen LABANGSO card men labangke Apaar ID puta pupu lapen one nation one student ID card pustame pupon pono lapen LABANGSO card ki launch pon labangke Ministry of Education mate Government of India hin pensil LABANGSO card bangke ke launch pon iglo lapen LABANGSO card dolo pulte kopi ali sikilong ma LABANGSO APHUTHAK stami nili nali tum hanang than puchini ponikpo aprang sinali tum chini ikon LABANGSO Apaar APAR Apaar ID a full form bangke Automated Permanent Academic Account Registry pulo nali tum le screen along stami thek pon long ikpo LABANGSO full form bang lailo nali tum stami chini ipon ikon lapen what is Apaar ID for student labangke la sono labangke Apaar ID student LABANGSO card lakin class 1 nursery pupelo lake kan mal kacharli ansi LABANGSO card labangke Kenanhsot lo lapen do verpo validity labangke avelo jongse chi kacharli jongsing ton lo pulte LABANGSO card stame la ansi ki jodon ikpon jola sonno LABANGSO card abangke lapen LABANGSO card Kasemar ji afan labangke private school lapen government school azad school college non labangke semar don iglong po lapen LABANGSO card Kasemar ji afanang litum readings tame Aadhaar card bangke do ignang po lapen LABANGSO card alongke doji labangke 12 digit Apaar number do ikpo lapen kapre ka son do ikpo dag nang litum amens tame do ikpo na son lo lapen LABANGSO card bangke ali labangke la son la nili nali tumhan PAKLANG pon ikpo ali bang kopi mala bang nili anang tham pon pachini pon ikpo lapen Apaar ID registration online koson se registration ning LABANGSO APHUTHAK stame dak tok pon iklo the register of Apaar ID student must have a valid Aadhaar card mate Aadhaar card do ignang po lapen DigiLocker long stame account bangke ingpu ignang po lapen adak da automatic KYC do ikpo lapen dake tok pon do tla Apaar ID cards for the student only after obtaining the parents and also withdraw their consent any given point in time liable unimportant lo lapen LABANGSO card benefit labangke nili nali tumhan dake chinglong ki tok do LABANGSO card benefit bang dak nali tum thek polong ikpo rewards degree scholarship and other credits jongsi student atuma fanjong si pipine scheme ba scholarship lapen kapre ka tangka jong sinang jang pulta LABANGSO card long si nang jang ikpo lapen long pon ikpo jola phan LABANGSO card bangke lapen LABANGSO card labangke la son lo jongse LABANGSO card avete non labangke admissions tame enlong le data thek lapen monex dake tok pondo la so APHUTHAK stame ni linali tomhanang than pechini pon ikpo dak benefit bang dak lang pono na benefit APHUTHAK stame dak do iglo nali tumna thek ponong ikpo the Apaar ID card is a lifelong identification number for the student allowing them the easily track their academic process and the achievement seamlessly asila son LABANGSO card jong se dolote student nason biodata stame do ikpo LABANGSO card long pen lapen ason son sitame zat academic process tame LABANGSO card dolo pulote chini ikpo jola sono lapenda Apaar ID card will be digital student data jado dake student data learning outcomes exam results report card health card and request lason thak sidak pinang an do ikpo labangso card arlo bangke report card health card labangso card kado kavita labangso card ong do ikpo da pen the upper number will be tracked in academic record of student all age group including school degree college junior college and postgraduate anta labangso card bangke hola anta record bangke labangso card long sido ikpo la pen it will be make the transfer process student from one school to other school other is the sign will contain to complete academic data the student lalo kaprek non labang school long charlie lepen kaprek school long charlie labang sokar dolo te hadak data bang ang ton pen long ikpo la pen son thak dak pen an awards award hai hoi ta la pen scholarships tamil labang sokar dolo pul dak long ikpo la pen the upper id will be directly linked with the abc bank ako labang sokar labang ke abc bank podotulang labang sodim link ikpo la pen hala sa bank long penali tum ajat tangkas tami dak pensi ulai long ikpo la student matangka bangke the credit score given the student upper card will be used to the higher student exam conduct la bang unimportant the complete information about the student can be evident from the upper id card. It contains information such the student names, address, date of birth, gender, photo, sports activity, education, loans, scholarship, award, extras tamil labang so card pen bangke long do ikpo la pen long ikpo la so student will be get this account create through the upper id lapan DigiLocker banane tum install ignang po labang so card se marji aphan lapan hoda pensinane tum labang so id bang long ikpo the student can obtain government scheme benefit directly from the government through upper id cards la se jat government na hin pen jat scheme na student tum han pipons tamil labang so card pensinang le ikpo lapan sondak tak sidak penang an kitok pon do iglang nang litum labang so article long wang pen litum stame lang pon email lapen pore pon email lo lapen labang so card customer ji afan la son lo upper id registration online labang ke la son lo aprang sinang litum labang so academic bank of credit mate abc bank website lo nang litum dam iglang po lapen click on my account and select the student option. Then click sign up and enter the mobile number, address and Aadhaar card details. Create a DigiLocker account. Log into the DigiLocker account with the credentials. DigiLocker will be ask your consent to share the Aadhaar card details with the ABC for KYC verification. Select I agree and enter the academic details such as school, university name, class, course name, extra high nang fill up then submit the form and the upper ID card will be generated. Upper ID card bangge generate ikpo lapen ka download ninga process bang talason hello nalitum la academic bank of credits mate abc bank website on dam igna po da on the dashboard locate and click the upper card download option long ikpo hala bang so dim nalitum ber igna po the upper card will be appear on the screen the screen long chiklang po click on the download and print option long ikpo la bang so dim lapen nalitum print out iklong po la son lapen la bang so card Kasemar ji afan nang litum phan ni lena paklang pon bangke un edit pala bang so video lang bangke stamini li example nang litum la academic bank of credits mate abc labang so dim ber igon labang so dim ber igot abc.gov.in labang so official website lo nang litum phan dang no pon ikpo la pen dak enabling student mobility across higher education institution la sans dak tok do pola pen nang litum dak theglongji la QR code ado daglana litum direct scheme lot labang so apps on lekpo total number of abc id card create 2.65 crore lo da create tang lapen total number of LS university registered abc 1600 ason da data na litum dak lang pon ikmeji lapen ka apply ji afana litum la 3 line technology labang so dim le best tame kalite la por enas tame na litum login po option long exi nilina la login po option long ikchi labang so dim na litum ber ingon lapen da hini do student lapen university student is option select pon ingon student option selected pen finally tum la sign in DigiLocker long pen automatic na litum sign in pon nang po DigiLocker icon lapen aprang process ban ni non piklang pon elo mo ani ka prex tamina litum fan na litum jong sina ing pluten nili nang wan pik po tang dipinya video long la online ton pon ignang la situm mi thak mi ka du ka vi British 2.0 YouTube channel long kilang ra to an pas tamin nili hin pen KARDOM to change your